Hi, this is Crystal from Campkins, and I'm going to show you this Clipper 182 DBU. Starting off with the front electric hitch. Nice big diamond plate. The Lippert steps, which are more sturdy. You've got your fridge and cooktop, and a large outdoor storage. When we go inside, we've got a grand U-shaped dinette that also couples as the queen bed. Over here, you've got some closet space, your cooktop, and your nice area to prep. If you're a dry camper, this trailer's for you. We've got a propane fridge. Outdoor sink from the bathroom. And a nice, bright, spacious washroom with storage all along the side. Right beside it is double bunks for the kids. And then this closet space to tuck your things all away. This also holds the table for the dinette. So give us a call at Campkins. I'd be happy to show you through this trailer.